Some people are having issues with the Galaxy Note 20. Now, this phone was very well received. One of my favorite phones really right now. But Note 20 Ultra owners are experiencing some burn-in when they're using a specific Samsung accessory, the S-View flip cover. Now, that's the flip cover, Will, that lets you see a certain amount of your screen on the edge, on the fringe, and you can see some notifications and a little bit of information. Actually, if you click the link there to the S-View flip cover, yeah, this is how, you've seen these before.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool for a $49 cover to show you the time and some quick notifications. However, it looks like, at least for some users, with the OLED display there, it kind of darkened the section where the S-View would look through. Now, is that a type of burn-in? Is that because that part of the screen is always on? Is that because it's exposed more to the elements, the sun? I mean, presumably it's just because this user has the S-View showing fairly frequently. That would be my guess. Of course, OLED tech is susceptible to this kind of a thing. But I don't know. I thought it was worth shouting it out because I would probably give up using my $49 cover if I thought or knew. Now, the other thing is it might not be burn-in. It could just be image retention. So in other words, if the person stops using the case and starts showing regular content, it may over time not look this bad.
Interesting. I thought AMOLED would be making it like the pixels turn off.
That's what you would think, right? When you see the black there.
Yeah. But this doesn't seem like burn-in.
You think it's just image retention?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
I don't even know what that is.
Well, that's just that's just like this happened on monitors in the old days. It would just be if there was a really dark object that was static and I mean, I guess it's burn-in, but you could run certain video applications that would hit it with all kinds of colors and brightness, and it would eventually fade that retention out of the image, whatever it was holding on to. Whereas other technologies, I mean, you remember plasmas and things like this, where burn-in was burnt in.
Yeah.
It was impossible to eliminate it. So it's just like, I guess it's a degree to which an image is burnt in probably determines the terminology you would use to describe it. This looks more like a retention to me, but it's very odd because, as you mentioned with AMOLED, when you have a black image, supposedly that section should be turned off instead of being on frequently. So I don't know. Look, you can look into it. It's a couple of reports. It's being covered on Android Police, but I'm just saying if I got a Note 20 right now and I have this cover, it's worth noting that you may experience burn-in and it might not be worth it to you to have access to this couple extra notifications on the outside of your cover there.